No matter how you measure maintenance performance in your automotive plant, you're always looking to be more effective. A major part of being effective is being connected. Fluke Accelix is a maintenance solution that connects your workflows, asset data, and team members across all your devices. Respond to faults faster by sending alarms from IoT systems like SCADA or Fluke sensors directly to technicians. In the field, they can see related asset information and process work orders. They can even delegate work to specialists. Connected tools ensure your asset management system is up to date with accurate data. It all boils down to faster reactive maintenance and less paperwork for planned maintenance. Managers get the full picture even when they're not on the shop floor. See how Fluke Accelix helped Toyota improve efficiency at www.accelix.com/automotive.